Okay, thank you. First of all, I'd like to say how deeply saddened by crimes, humanitarian disaster in Palestine. I'd like to say, first of all, before October 7, after October 7, what's the difference between this date? Before October 7, there was a humanitarian collective punishment. But after 7 October, there is mass destruction in Palestine because the ethical codes of Israel Defense Forces, if you are a civilian with their enemies and you are also enemies, the reason why civilian targets bombed means genocide and leaving no place for civilians to return to. I'd like to point out that human rights is common value and that unites all humanity, but states and not states actors are destabilize the implementation of human rights. We can say Gaza combatants use their right of self-defense against Israel on October 7. War crimes are being committed in Palestine that are not justified proportionally and necessity. In the situation, the use of veto right in the UN Security Council to maintain a status quo and UN General Assembly not recommending the collective legitimate force based on 377 and also the International Criminal Court not considering the death of thousands of people as a sufficient reason to issue an arrest. This is not a humanitarian disaster that the UN cannot manage. This is called abuse of law. We can say lawfare in this situation. And International Court of Justice, ICJ, will discuss the legal consequences of Israel's action in Palestine on February 19. But due to violation of genocide convention, ICJ may decide legal matter of violation and scope of damage. Notification is made to UN General Assembly according to Article 94 UN Charter. States undertake to comply with decision of court. If doesn't comply, measures may be taken by Security Council. The problem is here because when Security Council decision about measures in the situation, veto right may be used. Security Council can take measures according to Article 94 or Chapter 7 of UN Charter. The use of veto may prevent measures from being taken. Thank you. Listening, my Ruiz.